Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily play all PC games with any controller. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you can go to any one of the web browser and go to Steam. But sometime you might not be able to find the setting option in the web browser version, so it is suggested to install the Steam application first and then log in with your account details. Once logged in, click on the Steam icon at the top left corner and go to Settings. If you are not able to see the setting option, besides Steam you can see the option of View. Click on it and click on Big Picture mode. Then you will be able to find the setting option. After that, again go to Steam, go to Settings, and then you will be able to see the controller option. Make sure you have enabled all the options for controller. After that, click on save and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.